Hello everyone. Sorry I am not with my microphone, but I hope I am quite audible. As you can see, we're done with our cleaning. We've disinfected the drinkers, the feeders, even the staff and customers' foot, where we've completely disinfected the entire stuff. And let me just show you the inside the pen house. As you can see, the entire pen house is covered. We've not stocked for the past it's going to almost a month now. So when you've cleaned the place, you've disinfected the place, you have to give at least 2-3 weeks, at least 2-3 weeks, you know um, before stocking. Ideally, it should be about a month, but some people said 2 weeks is fine. So you see, inside the entire place is cleaned. The entire place is cleaned and completely disinfected. I can't get in. I can't get in because I'm not putting on any of um, uh, boots. So it's very important. You see, everywhere is cleaned, properly cleaned. And we've not stocked for the past of about a month now. We'll be stocking in the next week. We should be having our bed coming next week, so that should be about 5 weeks of proper cleaning and sanitation of the entire place. So this is very important because if you know, the poultry business is really garbage in, garbage out, really. So why is my camera like this? Let me check. So it is what you put in, that is what you get in return. Sorry, my camera, my audio might not be as good as it used to be. I forgot my audio back home. As you can see, the brooding house is properly clean, properly clean, and completely disinfected. I want to show you something before going out. We also do nursery here. You see, this is our pepper nurseries. This is our pepper, and then this is our pawpaw. We also have pawpaw as well. We do nurseries as well. So, it's just part of those stuff we just do to feed our staff and also to sell it. We also sell our pepper as well. And those pepper they're very nice. Very nice. So you see the entire place, you just make sure that the entire place is cleaned. No one gets into the pen. You keep everywhere clean. And by the time you come back and you stock, you will see the difference. You see your bird will do better because those microorganisms, the viruses, the bacteria, and all of that must have, gone out of the pen. But when you keep stocking batch after batch after batch, there's a possibility of having an outbreak. So so just a quick update on our farm. By next week, we should be having next batch of babies of bird inside the farm. So it's good to keep everywhere clean and properly disinfected. You send the staff, and not all the staff. We just have 1 or 2 staff in the farm, but the rest we send them home, to just go have their vacation. This time around, why the farm is being cleaned and disinfected. So thank you. Please stay tuned for more videos. Please do wait to like and subscribe to our page as we growing our page gradually, and we share with you what the things we are doing right, the things we did not do right, the things we and what we learned from that. We just bring it to you as real as possible. So thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye.